What it do, babe? Chill wheel back in the house, man. Hey, it's been a long journey, long haul on the rebuild. You know, just a lot of sitting, a lot of wait time, waiting on parts, etc. So finally got her back, picked her up yesterday. So got a lot of work, real dirty. But anyway, we got the rebuild in effect. So big shout out to my man ZL1 Tuning and Performance, Steven. Been a long haul journey with him, and I've been with him about 8 years. So big shout out on the rebuild for that. So but now she's gonna have her first, as you can see, as I told you before last time, when I broke down, I still got my race number on there, still got the slicks, all that's on there still. So just finally got it back. But I'm gonna be doing the first clean job, wash job for her since she's been gone. Man, look, I don't know if you can see, look at all this dirt right here we got. It's piled up, trunk lid, etc. Man, unfortunate, right? She was sitting outside a lot, and that was probably my fault. I didn't give Steven a car cover to put over it, but you know, definitely it's gonna take a little time to get it back right. You know, get it cleaned up, as you can see. So definitely stay tuned, man. Be giving you guys, yeah, for sure. I know you're looking for. I'm gonna give you that first turnover where you can hear when I cut her on. So see what she sound like. But got it back yesterday, so just going through a few details right now. I'm gonna get it cleaned up, a light clean, nothing major right now. It's gonna take probably about a week or so, you know, to get it back right. Got to change the wheels out. Still got the as I mentioned, the slicks on there. Get those cleaned up real good. And then I got my street stuff. Got those nittos down there. You can't see them, they're wrapped up in the paper. That's pretty much my street look, the nittos. You'll see. I'll give you a shot of that when I get finished. Okay, so other than that, hey, definitely appreciate the time, man. Like, share, subscribe for sure. If you're liking the content, that's what kind of makes it go, man. You know, motivate me. So give me some comments, definitely subscribe, etc. So stay tuned. We'll give you the finished product on the first wash deal. Peace. All right, guys, I just finished with a little vacuuming, getting some of the heavy dirt off. Got the shop vac inside. Oh yeah, it wasn't too bad inside actually. It was more the outside. In case you want, I know you don't see the seats in, huh? Yes, sir. Don't worry about that. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. She's always been sitting like that, even before she went in the shop to get the rebuild. So that's another project. Stay tuned for that though. You see, I got the portable AC. If I need that, up in the garage. It's a hot one out. It's about 90 degrees already. So on to the wash now. You know, of course, I got that jaxwax set up. So we're gonna hit the wash job now. Let's spray out. Like I said, this is gonna be got that jaxwax wash and wax, man. This is gonna be more of a just kind of a basic wash today. Need to get to the car wash to be able to spray off too. Spray her real good. And then actually I do got to take her back to my tuning guy SS later this in the week for him to kind of finish up. He's pretty much 95% finished. Got to hit a couple of more things, and then when I get it back, then I'll go ahead and finish up with the rest of my project that I was already working on prior to her going down. So chill wheel 704 racing. Let's get on to the wash now. Definitely want to get a rinse right here. Just spray it off a little bit. Get it wet. We got studs coming on right. I ain't putting it ain't gonna. She's so dirty. I put that water on, we got studs coming up already. I got that wire as well through the wheel cleaner. I got some good stuff from jaxwax too though, that I can put that on you. So I try to wash my car by in increments. Quarter pounder. Try to hit this place right here first. Throw it in the quarter pounder. I make my way on back to the door, the top, then I hit this rear quarter pounder. Definitely don't want the soap suds sitting on there too long. So it's so hot out, so I got it in the garage spraying off right now. Gonna wash in here. So the suds won't, that heat won't bake them soap suds in there. So all right, let me keep it going. Guys, I want to take a second and show you this, man. And this is strictly, I know next time definitely I'll use the car cover. I want to show you this as well too. I'm even having to take the wing off. I don't know if you can see all the dirt that built up underneath there as well. So y'all see the banner over there, Chill Wheel 704 Racing ZL1, baby. So definitely, yeah, if you're gonna definitely have a car cover, you're gonna be sitting for a while. And actually, I had one, but I didn't get it to my man Steven at his shop while she was sitting, so that's strictly my error. But anyway, I want to definitely show you that. Maybe wait to the back of the car. So like, share, and subscribe. Chill Wheel. Guys, slowly making my way around the car. As you can see now, I normally just kind of wipe down the door jambs, but you know, soap and suds the whole nine this time inside on the door jambs. You know, you gotta hit the details. You gotta hit the door jambs. Washing the car, it's like washing the car not finished with arm oil or some type of tire shine. It's like wearing a good suit and you don't have the right kind of shoes on. So got this tires soaking right now. Front soaking. Y'all see the details right there when I was mentioning details. Got the race starting red. It's been there for a minute. ZL1 on the brakes, Vimro brake steel. Yeah, I'm kind of tired out here washing my car. All right, guys, got all washed up. Getting ready to. I normally well, that's I got to run them to the store, but I normally take it around the corner and kind of air dry it and blow it off first. Sometimes I use the blower, or sometimes I drive it around the corner, blow it off a little bit, get some of the water, and I bring it back and finish up from there. So I got to run up to the store for a second, get a little pull of gas in her, and I'm gonna come back, finish up, get more of the fine details as I talk about. And I'm not sure time wise, I'm not sure if I'm changing out the slicks today, but got the mats out dry, so we'll see. Anyway, let me run to the store and we'll finish up and just shortly, and let you see the finished project after the first wash from being sitting for a while, having the motor rebuilt. Peace. All right, guys, I'm back. As you can see, I pulled straight in the garage this time. So getting ready, blow it off a little bit, but I got my softy here now. I got my softy getting ready to do a complete dry down and finish up the first wash since having the motor rebuilt. I don't have my haven't carry my camera around with me. Sorry about that, guys. I don't have my tripod set up in the garage, so apologies for that. Hopefully this still works for you. You can kind of get your gist of, you know, what I'm trying to show you. Just can't see me. Chill Wheel. All right, let's keep it going. Peace. Okay guys, it's a wrap. First wash job is done, and got the mats over here drying out. But this I ain't changed out the slick shit. So this is my when I'm at the track running. These are my race star Mickey Thompsons with the skinnies in the front that I run. I was able to get my get the wing clean off good, and got my wicker bill reinstalled. I took off while I was sitting there. As you can see, I run the 305 Mickey ATs there at the track. Skinnies in the front. I think I'm running 28, I believe. 28 Mickey's as well too. 28.6 carbon fiber hood. I think it's a 5-inch lift. That Copo Camaro style. So somebody's been sitting for a bit, so you know the insulation for the carbon fiber, I'm about to touch that up some of that's starting to come loose a little bit since it's been sitting. But also got some a video of when I installed the hood. So if you had a chance to see that, go back and search and check that out on me installing my new hood, which was probably about a year ago. But other than that, I was able to wipe off, get it cleaned up a little bit on the hood. So I am getting ready now, limited with time. Also, you can see here too, I had my APR front splitter on, but still got the front hook still. Unfortunately, when I last time at the track, when I had to have it towed, when I unfortunately damaged the motor, having it towed, they damaged my APR front splitter, so I had to take that off. I'll be replacing that with something. Probably go back with the same style APR. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you watching. Chill Wheel 704 Racing. Definitely like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for the latest content. I'm gonna go ahead and get the front. I'm only gonna change out the front. Matter of fact, I run those Verados when I'm just doing on the street. Verados. When I'm on the street, 295 on the front, which is what I'm gonna put back on. I got the 315s. The drag radius, the Nitos. I'll put those after I take it back to my guy later this week. So I'm just gonna change out the front. But then I'll follow up with you and give you the street view, street look, which I think I've given you a taste of that before on earlier videos on my channel. So if you hadn't had a chance to go back first to my channel, you'll see kind of the setup for the street, setup for the track. Appreciate the love.